first week back of uni for year 3. I didn't do it this morning and I've already been to my lecture. I didn't really film a lot because I didn't do much. And then I caught up with Fabiana for a little bit after, and now I've come home making some food. Just some curly fries and fried egg, I think. And then I'm gonna head back out for my dance class. Yeah, and then I'm gonna come home and go to bed. But yeah, I only have class 2 days this week. But I only have class 2 days for this semester, this block. And then, but I have dance like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. But only one of them is in Amsterdam, so I only have to travel on the train for that one. The rest are here. So that's good. And then, oh, I'm going to a concert on Wednesday, so that'll be included in this. I'm going to the B.D.U concert, so that'll be exciting. Yeah. Hope you enjoy the video. Guys, we just finished dance. Chris's first dance class.
It was so fun.
Yes. We didn't really slay. I can't use one hand.
I 50% slayed.
Yeah.
My heart was in it.
We both 50% slayed.
Heart was in it. That's all that mattered.
Yeah.
I pretended like all my fans were watching.
I pretended I was because of her. Because we learned the start of Crazy, the chorus. But I can't do that. My arms are too short.
My heart.
Okay. Okay then. But yeah. And then I'm going to go home and sleep. And eat. But I have nothing tomorrow. Yay! Slay. So I don't have to do anything. Don't have to wake up early either. Get in!
Can't relate.
Do you have a class?
Brexit, get it done.
Brexit?
Get it done! Get it done!
Okay. Bye bye. Hey guys, so it's Tuesday now. I'm just cooking myself some breakfast / lunch because it's like 12ish. I'm making a fried egg, a vegan burger with a tiger bun, and then I'm gonna go to the shop and get some bits and bobs. So yeah, this is my egg so far, and I'm watching Eat the Menu, IHOP from the Try Guys. Yeah. Here is my food. It looks so appealing. Yup. Hey guys, I'm walking back to from the shop after doing a grocery shop, and yeah, it's raining. Quite harsh. Classic Dutch weather. So I don't actually know if you can hear me or not. But yeah. But I needed to go today, otherwise I'd keep putting it off. But yeah. Oh, my thumb's in the way. Oh well. Okay, well, I'm gonna go home and make some food, I guess. It's like 6 o'clock now. I actually haven't done anything today, so I didn't film anything because, yeah, I haven't done anything, so whatever. Yeah, bye. It may look like it's the same time, but no. I'm having to dance now. I just had some instant noodles in the time between coming back and getting ready to leave. But yeah, it's actually not really raining right now, but it still is kind of, so I've got my raincoat on. But yeah, so I've had jazz now, well, not now, but soon, so I'm going. And then bedtime. Hey guys, so it's the next day and I am in my lecture. It's at home, so I'm just, you know, in a cozy outfit, not doing anything. But yeah. Okay guys, so I'm ready for the concert. I'll show you my fit. Let me see, where can I put it? So I have this top, and I have these trousers on. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And our hair is just like this, and it has also curls. No clue if that was a good angle, but yeah, I'm just gonna put my water bottle and I'm gonna leave for this train. So I'm at, where am I? Station. Am I at? I don't know. Haven't checked. And I'm just waiting for my train to Malderport to be coming in 4 minutes or so. And then it's like a 5-minute-ish walk to the concert venue. And then yeah, I've got to jump around because it's cold. I'm really cold. And I have taken my stuff off to try and dry. I've got like a background that's bright yellow, but it's fine. And I've got my card. I brought a Matthew PC because Boys Planet, you know, Jay Chang, Boys Planet, Matthews, and Bruce Wong, Boys Planet. And then, you know, like, kind of Canadian American brothers, English speaking bros, that's my logic. But yeah, I just had like a focaccia from Albert Heijn, and then yeah, so I've had for dinner. I had to make fried rice earlier though, so hopefully that'll be enough. I've got my water bottle with me as well. But yeah,
It gives you fun and happiness. It's not
guys,
embarrassing, right?
I'm inside.
Oh, I cannot angle this.
Amsterdam. Thank you for coming.
I'm back home, obviously. The concert was so good. I'll have put clips in before this of some of the performances. Obviously not very long, probably like 30 seconds of 3 songs or something because I don't want to get copyrighted. It was so good. I took a snapshot with Minso after, so that was fun. Like I didn't have one beforehand, but then throughout watching it, I just like, he became my bias I guess because I didn't have bias, so I was like, well, I'm gonna get it to have something to remember it by because I couldn't get a t-shirt because the size I would have wanted to get was sold out because they only had XL, and I have from like the same touring company, I have a shirt that was a small and it's still quite big, so I didn't get a t-shirt. So I thought I'd get a snapshot to remember it by. So I was cute, did a little heart pose. It looks a bit silly because I've got a wrist brace on, so my hand's like really angled, but whatever. And now my hair's come out because it was warm and it's a bit damp. It's fine, I just got a little devil horn curls. But yeah, so I'm gonna have a warm shower because it's really cold. Because it was raining so heavily on the way to the train station. Like, I was absolutely drenched. Luckily I had put a raincoat on and rain trousers, but oof. But yeah, it was really fun. Glad some of my friends were there, so I got to see them as well. Did a trade for a Terry PC for a June PC that I had organised for my friend's sister and my friend. But so I got to give my friend the Terry PC and picked up the June, and I'll give it to my other friend to give to his sister on Friday. So that'll be fun. So yeah, I'm gonna have a shower and go to bed. Yeah. that was about it for today. I'm not gonna go out tomorrow. I was gonna go out, meet my friends, but my brother's friend got COVID and we're both not feeling too good, so we're gonna get some COVID tests and do that instead. Well, he's gonna test, and then if he doesn't have it, I won't have it because I haven't met his friend. But yeah, because I wasn't very well on Saturday, and then since then I've been feeling a bit rough, so I've told the friends I was going to meet up with tomorrow that I'm not going to go round to theirs. I was going to see Chris earlier in the day to watch some episodes of Girls Planet 909. Then I was going to go to Ella's. We were going to make some food and watch Gilmore Girls. But I obviously don't want to get them ill just in case. So I'll have to reorganise it. But better safe than sorry, to be fair. So I'll probably just chill at home and work on some projects. I only have one project because I only have one class. But yeah. So yeah, date you tomorrow then. Bye. So another productive day. No, I haven't done anything yet. It's 1:45, but my period has just been so bad today that even if I wanted to do stuff, I was meant to go out with my friends today, but I cancelled anyways yesterday. I couldn't, I felt so ill, and then I've literally just been lying in bed doing nothing. So yeah, but hopefully tomorrow should be better because I'm watching the Riize film and having food. So yeah, I'm not doing anything today. So yeah. Okay guys, so it's Friday. So today's plan is to go into Amsterdam to have food with my friends and watch the Riize film, the fancon showing. So that's, yeah, so me and my friends are gonna have hot pot beforehand, then go to the cinema to watch it. So that'll be fun. So yeah, so I'm just chilling until I leave. So yeah, not doing much. Guys, so I'm now just cycled to the station and I'm now going to catch the train down to Amsterdam and then yeah, meet all my friends. Yeah. So yeah. So guys, I'm back at the station about to cycle home, watch the Riize film. It was good, but the people there were really loud and yeah, it was just people screaming the whole time. It was just like, go guys, we're at the cinema, we're not at home. So yeah, a bit weird. So guys, I haven't actually filmed anything today because I haven't done anything today. I was on a group call this morning and that was about it. But I just booked my flights to go to Korea at Christmas with my friend, and our other friends are also going to be there at the same time. So I'm very excited. And the dog is barking, but it's fine. But you can see there's a very nice sunset going on right now. So yeah, I really haven't done that much today. I've had some egg fried rice, put on my washing to dry, and then just now, what did I just eat? I had 2 tuna sandwiches, so I literally have not done anything. I've literally just been in bed watching TV on TikTok and reading, so nothing much, nothing very productive. Soon I'm gonna have my shower and then do my teeth, and then I'm gonna do some reading that I have to do for class. But yeah, that's literally it. But I'll show you the sunset and then yeah. Guys, we're at the random play dance. Yo. Exciting. We've already done a round. We were both late, but it's fine.
I was very late.
But I've moved, yeah. I missed my train. But I'm just as Chaeyoung from Wannabe.
I'm just as my favorite idol myself.
Icon.
Overthinker.
Yeah. Yo. But I've moved away because I don't want it copyrighted, but you can probably still hear it, but it's fine. That's life. Oopsies. But yeah, we just had a break. My friend is gonna come, apparently, for this round.
Who knows, maybe we won't get copyrighted, instead you'll get free tickets.
Oh, would be great. I'd love that, but yeah. So we're just chilling now until the next purse starts. Yeah. Okay, bye. So it's finished, and now I'm waiting to get the train back home. Should be coming in like 5-ish minutes or so. Yeah, I'm really hungry, and I was gonna get something at the Albert Heijn, but it was shut. Typical. But whatevs. I think I'm gonna end it here because I'm gonna eat food and do some reading and then go to bed. So nothing really interesting. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.